All right, my people. So in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to create and set up a successful Faceless YouTube channel in 2026 from scratch. I know a lot of people start Faceless YouTube channel, but at the end of the day, they get no traction, often because they made some key elements in settings and setup. All right. In fact, early this year, I've monetized over 3 Faceless YouTube channels, and the fourth one is actually ongoing. This month we are going to get it monetized, and I've made videos about showing some of them. You can see on my YouTube channel. I actually document, for those who don't know me, I actually document my journey about creating and monetizing Faceless YouTube channel right here. Okay, so you can go check those videos out. All right, so stick around because I'm about to give you a blueprint that you are going to use to set yours up the right way from day one. If you are ready, let's get right in. All right, so the first step is to create a new email. Very important. Okay, so first of all, go to Google and type create account. So you are asked whether you want to create for your personal use, for your child, or for work or business. I will highly recommend you to choose for my personal use. Don't actually choose for work or business, please. So after you choose for my personal use, okay, then you'll be asked your first name. So I'll just type Monk. All right, and last name I'll just type Mode. All right, so then we tap next. So after that, they'll ask for the month. So I'll basically choose June, the day. I'll actually say maybe 6, and then for the year I'll say 20, or just let's say 2000. All right, 2000. The gender male, and then next. All right, so here you can choose one, or just create your own Gmail. But let's just choose one, since this one is already Monk. Let's choose this one and type next. All right, so after that, the password, I don't know which password they are recommended to me, but let me type my own password right here. Okay. All right, so after the password, they are actually asking for the number. So basically I just type my number. Okay. All right, so basically they are saying there was a problem verifying your number. Okay, let me do it again. Unless this number has been used too many times. I don't know the reason why, but I've never used this number to create any email. But they are saying that, bro, I just found another solution for this though, and then we'll continue. All right. All right, guys, so I was able to actually create the email. About the number, I was forced to find another number from one of my friends, because basically I've created so many channels that right now to even find number to verify whether your channel or just your email becomes a problem, right? So I needed to actually get a new number to be able to verify it. So I was actually able to create the email. So basically that is it. You can see the email here, monk mode 850, basically. So that is exactly how you can create your email. Very simple. Just have a new number that you haven't used so many times, basically. So first of all, let's go to YouTube then. Okay, then after that, I'm gonna switch account to the new channel we just created. All right, now as you can see, we are connected to the new email, okay, that we just created. So we just need to come here and create the channel, then move to the configuration, the settings and all that. So you can see this is the new email we just created. This is the channel. So what I'll do is just I'll click on it. All right, then create a channel, basically. So after that, the name is the same thing, monk mode, just leave it like that. And the handle maybe monk mode M5K. You can also leave it like that. And just click create channel. All right. So we just wait few seconds, and that is it. We just have our channel created. All right, as you can see, the profile, the name. So it's not that we need to start customizing everything, the configuration, the settings. So for that, we move straight to YouTube Studio, and then let me just switch the account to the new one we just created, monk mode. All right, so from here I'm going to share with you exactly what you're going to do once you create your email and click on create a channel on YouTube. The most important part is the settings, so follow up exactly what I'm going to do right now and you are actually good to go. Okay, So after you click on continue, this is how your dashboard is gonna look like. So the first thing is, of course, click on settings. Okay, so the first one is general. So here you are going to actually choose the currency you want your channel to be in, whether US dollars or euros. You can see here we have actually everything. Okay, you can actually scroll, we have everything. So basically I'm gonna leave it as it is, USD, US dollars. Then we click on channel. Okay, and once you are here, all right, choose your country. So right here you don't need to choose the country that you are actually based in. Okay, all the countries right here is basically eligible for the monetization. So if you don't find your country here, that simply means that your country is not eligible, but you can choose any other country you want. So basically I can be in France and type I'm in United States. Basically that is it. So you can choose any country you want. So let me just maybe choose, okay, let me choose, I'm not seeing it. I want to choose France eventually. Where is it? Where it is? Okay, this is it. So after you choose your country, these are keywords. So you are going to put keywords on of your channel here. So since I've chosen more Kumo, so basically you can understand the kind of channel I want to create, which is self-development channel. I might type self-development, monk mode, go goals, motivation, every keyword that actually are associated to your niche. You type everything here. Basically that is it. So you go to advanced settings. So once you are in advanced settings, you see, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Bro, no. Don't leave it on I want to review these settings for every video. Just click on no. Okay, that's the first thing. So we move on. After that, you come down here, automatic captions. Basically I would recommend you to click on it. It will help you because right now you can see that YouTube actually integrated AI, and if you want to watch any video, you come across any video, down you will see a quick summary of what happened in the video. It's because of this, basically. Okay, so automatic dubbing, I don't recommend it at all. Red flag. Okay, so you go down. Okay, so right here you can see allow viewers to clip my content. Basically no. Then here, let YouTube enhance visual quality. Yes. Let YouTube enhance audio quality. Also, yeah. Yes. Okay. Third party training, bro. Never click on this. Okay. So leave it as it is. Okay. So you go down, you can see there's nothing else. The most important part, feature eligibility. So once you come here, this one is automatically enabled. So the second one will allow you to have custom thumbnail. So if you don't set this or verify your number, bro, you cannot actually add thumbnail on your video. Okay, live stream you cannot do it, or you cannot post videos longer than 15 minutes. Okay, there's a lot of restriction here. So basically you just have to verify your phone number. So let me do it real quick. Click on phone number once again. I hope we are not going to encounter any problem right here. So let me just choose the country. All right, so this is the country. Let me just put the number in it. Next, I hope we are not going to encounter any problem right here. Okay, they have sent the number to my phone. I think this is my phone right here. So let me just pick in and see if I'm going to receive it or not. All right, let's submit it and see if this is it. Okay, you can see that we have definitely received it. Okay, so we have done with that part. All you have to do is just go back to your YouTube studio right here. Okay, you come right here, you can see it's already enabled. So this one actually, it depends on where you are actually creating your channel from. If not, most of the countries, you create a new channel, YouTube will just tell you to upload more video or watch more videos. So as long as you are just creating content and watching videos with your channel, this one will enable itself automatically with time. So it's not that important. Okay, after that you just come to upload default. Right here you don't have to do anything here. Title, description, also you don't have to do anything. About visibility, yes, very important, you need to set it on unlisted. Okay, why? Because anytime you post a video, it should be on unlisted to allow you to actually set the title, description, any links you want to add in the description, like everything, tags, all the settings of the video should be ready, and you should leave the video unlisted for at least 3 5 hours or 1 day before releasing it. Very important if you don't want to get stuck or get very low views. It's very very important. So after that, click on advanced settings. Video language, basically you have to choose your language, which is basically English. So let me choose English. So you have whether English or English Australia, English Canada. So I'm just going to choose English United States. Title and description language, basically the same thing. English also, all right. So English United States. So caption, you don't have to do anything here. Comments on basic, you should actually set the moderation on basic, so it's already good. And if you go down, you will see what show how many viewers like your video. Leave it as it is, okay. After that, just go up and then choose your category. So for the category, I would recommend, if you want to create content that teach people things, anything, bro, choose education. But if is anything else apart from educating or teaching people, bro, just choose entertainment. Whether it's about anything, car or anything, just choose entertainment. But if you want to teach people things and all that, just choose education. Basically, that is it. For example, for this one, which is more commode, maybe on self development, bro, I'll just choose entertainment though. All right. So after that, you leave it on standard YouTube license, as you can see, and everything is good to go right here. So when you go to permission, you can see that you are only the owner. So if you want to add a manager to your channel, someone who can have access to the YouTube studio, everything, and even upload content for you, you can invite someone and you see the person here as manager, something like that. Okay. If you come to community moderation, this is where you set your settings about comments. You can add words that if people comment those words, they will be blocked. Their comments will actually be blocked. You type hold comment with hashtag and links. When people actually comment on video and send links to website or to other videos, YouTube will block all of them. Basically, that is it. When it comes to agreement, if you are not monetized, this is what you see. But once you are monetized, you see the monetization, things right here. So basically, my friend, that is it, and click on save. So after that, the next thing is to come here on the customization. All right, very very important. This is the branding right here. So you need to add a banner, the profile. If you want to change your name, you change your name, and description and etc. So first of all, we are going to add, all right, a banner. For that, let me just choose one banner. So I don't know if I have anything like image here to set as banner though, but let me just see if I'll find something. All right, I don't know, but there's nothing important here, but let me just use this one, okay, as banner, just to show you as example. Okay, you can see this is it right here, 2026. All right, then I'll just click on done, and that's a banner. The profile, we just choose any profile, bro. I don't know. All right, something like this. I'm not sure though. All right, that's good. Let's just click. You just understand already, okay? You just need to understand. These are not proper. Maybe the banner might be good, but this is not, proper photo. Since I don't have something like that, I just put this one. And the description right here, you can use ChatGPT to generate a description, then tweak it a little bit, by adding things like everything about, there's, your niche basically. So for me, for example, I might say this channel is created for simple like that. And then after that, you go down, you can add links, to other social media that you have, then add your email so that when you grow, people can contact you for promotion, collaboration, and so on. After that, basically that is it, bro. When you come to home tab, since this is a new channel you created, you didn't post any video, just tap on publish, bro, and that's it. All right, everything is good. So let's go to the channel, and then we are going to see the channel finally, bro. That's how you set up your channel. You can see mock mode. All right, I'm not actually seeing the banner though. Let me try to refresh it to check the banner. If not, we are not seeing the banner right here. So basically, you can see that is it. The name the profile pic, the banner, and everything. It's just the description we didn't add and everything. So this is just to explain to you and to show exactly how you can create and set any Faceless YouTube channel as you want. So you need to have your own profile, your banner, everything ready, and just when you create the channel, you set everything up. All right, guys. So that's all for this video. If you like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to drop a like. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, it was Joshua and peace.